Compliance management platforms versus in-house compliance teams. Which one is better for multinational corporations? You won't believe how much time multinational corporations spend manually tracking compliance requirements across multiple jurisdictions. While in-house teams have been the traditional solution, compliance management platforms are transforming how companies handle global regulatory obligations. Compliance platforms provide centralized dashboards, automated alerts, and real-time reporting. They can monitor regulatory changes across countries, track employee training, and ensure adherence to internal policies. For example, a multinational bank can use such a platform to track anti-money laundering training compliance for thousands of employees worldwide, something that would be nearly impossible with spreadsheets alone. In-house compliance teams bring contextual knowledge, judgment, and the ability to navigate nuanced regulatory issues. They can interpret regulations, advise on risk mitigation, and manage relationships with regulators. However, maintaining teams across multiple regions is costly, and manual tracking is prone to errors. The real difference is efficiency versus insight. Compliance platforms excel at automating repetitive monitoring tasks, ensuring consistency and speed. Human teams are crucial for interpreting complex regulations, managing investigations, and making strategic decisions. Leading corporations now blend both approaches. Platforms handle routine monitoring, while in-house experts focus on advisory, enforcement, and regulatory engagement. The takeaway is straightforward. For multinational corporations, compliance management platforms dramatically reduce administrative overhead and improve accuracy. The surprising truth is that technology doesn't replace compliance teams, it enhances their effectiveness. By integrating platforms with human expertise, companies can maintain regulatory compliance efficiently, reduce risk, and scale globally with confidence.